In this video, we are going to explore use cases for generating letters via automation for Bonterra Impact Management using Google Workspace. The use cases we are going to cover today can also be deployed for Microsoft 365. Sidekick Solutions is a Zapier certified expert. We work exclusively with nonprofit and public sector organizations specializing in integrations and system automation for case management and donor management CRM software. Our team of integration experts supports Zapier-enabled integrations and custom-developed integrations using the Bonterra Impact Management API, Bonterra Impact Management Connect API, and Bonterra Impact Management Automated Import SFTP tools. We've released a number of products, including the Connect Auto Provision application, Zapier Connector, and Private API. This slide includes a list of our automation deployments to date across a variety of iPaaS platforms, applications, and solutions. We believe integration and automation are essential to user experience and the promise of efficient work through technology. The goal of case management software is to do less paperwork and serve more people. From our view, automation is the critical ingredient to realizing that full vision. This is why our team at Sidekick Solutions develops integration products and services for Bonterra Case Management software. The challenge most users face in Bonterra Impact Management is that the product does a great job of building an electronic record, but it is click-heavy. Because service delivery is a dynamic experience, the only way to reduce time is to reduce clicks and to do so smartly. This means we focus on automations and workflow rules that run conditionally, integrations that reflect Bonterra Impact Management's strengths as a customizable platform, remove double entry, and expand capability and capacity without requiring more human capital. Bonterra Impact Management is a constituent relationship management platform with a primary function of case management. It is geared towards serving individuals, engaging them, and interacting with them. But Bonterra Impact Management may not be the only system you use. As a result, we think of it as a hub. Bonterra Impact Management is a strong end-user business application and serves well as the central hub of a tech stack. We find that users enjoy the look and feel, and it does a great job of building a case file per participant. Because Bonterra Impact Management is a hub product, we have the opportunity to extend it with spokes. We think about that process in 6 steps. You can use this to plan for extension of your technology stack with Bonterra Impact Management. When exploring new technology to extend Bonterra Impact Management, we encourage you to focus on your mission, strategic plan, and organizational goals, allowing real use cases to drive the adoption of new tools and apps. When we think about integrations, it's helpful to think of it as stacking bricks. Once you have one automation in place, you level up to the next layer and so on. This is how you can, over time, build a complete technology stack or ecosystem around your Bonterra Impact Management solution. The journey to full system automation is never over. As more use cases require automation or other apps are added to your organization's tech stack, you will need to continue improving and expanding the solutions integrated with Bonterra Impact Management. Now let's transition to reviewing the options available for automation of letter generation for Bonterra Impact Management. Automating letter generation can look different based on whether you need to edit the letter after creation or not. If you need to edit the letter after creation, options are driven by the workspace used by your organization. Google Workspace users can generate letters from Google Doc templates. We recommend this solution being deployed via Zapier, a no-code automation platform. Microsoft 365 users can use Word templates to generate letters for editing. Automations via Microsoft 365 require Power Automate. If you prefer to have a PDF generated of the letter, solutions can be deployed on Zapier or Sidekick Solutions' managed data processing service. Common applications for PDF generation include JotForm, DocuSign, custom PDF scripts, and Google Workspace. Now let's take a look at this in practice. For the use case we're going to demo, we will be using Google Workspace, specifically Google Docs and Gmail. Similar automations can be deployed with Microsoft 365 using Power Automate. In this use case, we are using a Tier 2 form letter request form in Bonterra Impact Management to trigger our automation. This form allows the user to select which type of letter should be generated. Once the record is created, our automation will create the letter from a template Google Doc with merge fields populating based on the Tier 1 participant details in Bonterra Impact Management. A copy of the letter will be sent to the participant via email as an editable document, with a PDF of the letter also being uploaded back to the Tier 2 form letter request record in Apricot. So first, let's take a look at our template Google Doc. You can see right here that we have merge fields set up for our ID, the date that this letter is being generated, and the first and last name of our Tier 1 participant. Let's now hop over to Apricot and create our form letter request. Now we can see here that this is a very basic form in Apricot, and we've got a number of different letter types from which we can trigger our automation. In this case, our template in the letter we want to generate is our release of information. We're going to go ahead and select release of information in our letter type and save our record. You can see now that our automation is triggered, our participant has received the email with the editable letter attached. It's provided as a Google Doc attachment here, but the participant could also download and open that as a Word document. And you can see that it is preloaded with our ID, the date the letter was generated, and the name of the participant. You can see that there's room for them to complete the rest of that form. Additionally, you can see if we refresh our Tier 2 record in Apricot, that we also have a PDF of that letter attached that we can either download or preview in Apricot. These use cases are the tip of the iceberg for automating letter generation for Bonterra Impact Management. If you are interested in exploring deployment of this solution for your organization, contact us at sales@sidekicksolutions.com to get started.